night, runners.
There's the po-po when you need them the most.
Video protected.
One right there, isn't it? And he's around! Yeah! We gotta
Yes!
go there. Let's do this, man.
Who knows?
Wow.
Really?
Okay. Oh,
It hits the curb. Jesus Christ, bro.
take the whole fucking lane.
You hole.
Hi.
Yes, sir.
A little fast.
I wasn't driving. That's assessed driving autopilot, sir.
You're in charge though, so I need to see your driver's license.
I'm in charge, but I wasn't driving. So
Doesn't matter.
Like
You're in the driver's seat. You
I'm
can
in
you can blame the car all you want, but
how can we sort out this problem, sir? I wasn't.
do you have a driver's license?
I do, sir.
The car doesn't have a driver's license. I need to see your driver's license.
That wasn't my fault. So you can complain any Tesla station. So.
All right, sir. I did write you a ticket for speeding, 64 and a 45. You're missing the point. You are driving.
I'm not
whether
driving.
You turn
this
it
is assessed driving, and I was sitting
sir,
here.
whether you turn it over to the car doesn't matter. You're still driving.
I need to see your supervisor, please.
Sir, this is your ticket. On the bottom is a complaint number. So all the supervisors are busy. If you want to sit here and wait, you can. There's a court date on the ticket.
You will be here, and then he will come here because I got every recording right here. This is a witness. She got a witness. You draw me like this? You want to see your driver license? That's not acceptable, sir. I'm a good citizen, okay? You cannot treat me like this good citizen.
Are you going to sit here and wait for the supervisor?
No, I want your supervisor right now, and then you will be here. Because I went to
I'm
point
leaving.
the freeway.
I'm leaving. Goodbye. I'm leaving.